I'm here at the beautiful exhibition conducted by Akriti, and then I'm super happy to be a part of this, because the moment they say shopping, they say colorful clothes, accessories, and shoes, I just want to be there and look at it and get the first glance and get the best outfit picked for me. I think that goes without saying that women love shopping, and this is everything put together in one place. This is a brilliant idea, and I congratulate all the people who've, come here and they have their beautiful display. I'm doing 2 Tamil films which are starting in December, and I have a Hindi project coming up early next year. Actually, my last film was a Hindi film, Bhoot Returns, and it hasn't done like super good at the box office, but I'm really very happy that I'm a part of a Hindi film which has Ram Gopal Verma's name in it alongside Manisha Koirala and JD. So that is a big ticket for me, because my first Hindi film had Amitabh Bachchan, Sanjay Dutt and all, and this is really nice to just be in that Bollywood family and do good films. I'm hoping to do better films coming next year.